Well, as we go through the rest of the evening, we're going to gradually bring in some moisture and some precipitation. With temperatures falling back into 30s, snow is possible for some of us as we go into the overnight. Now, it's not unusual to see snow in the month of April. And in fact, we've actually seen some pretty big snowstorms in the past when it comes to the month of April. Here's some of the biggest snowstorms we've seen. Number one coming in at just a little under 13.5 inches of snow back on April 6th of 1982, 10 inches on April 1st, the April Fool's Day snowstorm of 1997, 5 inches there April 10th, 1996, and just recently back in 2016, we saw 4 inches on April 4th. Of course, we don't expect anything this significant, but there could be some slushy accumulations in some spots as we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning. Working for you, I'm 20 Storm Team Meteorologist Chris Bouzakis.